welcome back to my channel. Today I bring to you another process video of this orchid spread on my Language of Flowers journal. If you have been following me for a while, you know that I became very interested in Floriography, the language of flowers, and that I have been exploring ways to art journaling inspired by the meaning of flowers. So to help you with that, I recently shared my flower personality quiz. It basically has a couple of questions about your mood, what you like, the opinions of you, and then in the end you get a matching flower and a prompt with ideas on how to journal inspired by this flower and its meaning. So in my case, my flower was orchid, and it means creativity, uniqueness, and mystery. And I was completely sold by this perfect matching of the flower with my personality, and I have been journaling inspired by this meaning. I create a couple of spreads in my journal, but I also decided to explore more about the meaning of orchids in my Floriography books, and I look at this book. It's called Floriography, an illustrated guide to the Victorian language of flower by Jessica Roux. And Jessica says that the meaning of orchid is elegance and beauty, and that the origin of this meaning is related with what she said. The orchid's colorful, delicate, and shapely petals easily evoke elegance and beauty. The flower became an exotic luxury during the Victorian era, when only the wealth could afford the expensive bloom. So I decided to create a spread in my journal, evoking the elegance of orchids. So this is what I end up creating. I think compared to the other spreads, it evokes elegance, and it's very delicate. So I hope you enjoy to watch my process creating this spread, and also that you take the quiz. I will leave the link for the quiz in the description below, and also somewhere here in the cards, so that you can discover what is your flower identity, and that you start to journaling inspired by your flower. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and I see you in the next one. Bye!